Good evening, guys. This is Lucano from Mundobitcoin in the UK, bringing you the post-market analysis for Bitcoin, our digital currency. At this point, you see 240-minute chart. Let's go back to the daily chart to see what happened. As you can see, this chart is showing us what happened today, which is a very extraordinary counter trend. Look at this lower high. It was completely denied by this counter trend. We set new prices, new high prices with this top tail, but at the same time we discussed this early this morning when we suggest the possibility to visit it 106, and if that price was visited and we see if we manage to see a strength on the 240-minute chart, it was a possibility that the second target of that movement for the day as a counter trend was particularly 108. It happened, but it happened in a completely different and extraordinary way, which was this long range candlestick that he actually set up new highs and he went up to 113. So what happens at this point, based on the week analysis, we're expecting about 72 hours of counter trends. The market and the market makers decide to be ahead of those 72 hours, and all the movement or the entire counter trend that we're expecting to happen in 3 days, it just happens today, between yesterday and today. What can I expect now? I don't see any more counter trends, to be honest. This resistance is going to be kind of like a pain for this new higher low that is actually creating the currency is creating at the moment. So, and not only that, if you can see this retracement, it actually went down a little bit more than just 50% of the previous uptrend, which sends signals that it might be a weak movement, and I don't see this higher low making a huge development and going back to this resistance area. At this point, my suggestion is sit tight, keep your eyes open definitely, but I will sit on my hands. Based on my strategies and based on my methodology, I wouldn't go any far than just what I see at the moment, unless this higher low sets me a very strong higher low. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm not quite sure if this higher low is going to be completely developed by this move that we saw previously. Basically what's happening at the moment is just I'm expecting a retracement to these areas again and go back into a consolidation or possible flag here that is showing me consolidations. But so far I keep my eyes and my hypothesis with the weekly chart market analysis. This is Mundobitcoin. I'm Lucano from in London. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye.